Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, mga kapatid. Naranasan mo na rin ba yung pakiramdam na ang bait-bait mo sa harap ng ibang tao, pero kapag ikaw na lang mag-isa, parang nag-iba ka? You smile, you act good, you say the right words, pero deep inside, you know there are things you do that no one else sees. We are now living in an era full of cameras, followers, and validation. Napakadaling magpanggap na okay ka, na mabuti kang tao, na religious ka. Pero sa Islam, hindi followers o impressions ang basihan. Ang tunay na sukatan ay kung sino ka off-cam, kapag ikaw na lang at ang Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hindi mahalaga kung sino ka sa harap ng tao. Because even if no one sees you, Allah sees you. Even if no one hears your thoughts, Allah knows them. And that's where true character is built, not in public but in private. Minsan iniisip natin, wala namang nakakakita, okay lang yan. Pero sa Islam, wala lang. No? Every small action matters. Every hidden sin matters. And every quiet good deed matters even more. Yung simpleng pag-iwas mo sa kasalanan kahit kaya mo naman gawin, yun ang lakas. Yung pagdarasal mo kahit walang nakakaalam, that's sincerity. Yung paghingi mo ng tawad habang umiiyak ka mag-isa, that's real connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hindi kailangang i-post, hindi kailangang ipakita because Allah already knows. Ang totoo, mas mahalaga kung paano ka sa dilim kaysa sa liwanag. Because that's where your honesty is tested. That's where your faith becomes real. Kaya kung may kailangan tayong ayusin, hindi lang yung image natin sa ibang tao, kundi yung puso natin kapag tayo na lang mag-isa. Start small. Fix your intentions. Do good even when no one is clapping. Avoid sin even when it's easy. Because at the end of the day, hindi ang tao ang huhusga sa'yo, ang Allah. And the most beautiful part, Allah is the most merciful. No matter how many times you fall, you can always come back. So, tanungin mo ang sarili mo, who are you when no one is watching? Because that version of you, that's the one that truly matters. Wallahu a'lam.